Welcome, senior people. If you're over 60 and love a good salad because it feels light, clean, and healthy, you're not alone. I'm here because I want you to feel vibrant, energized, and strong every single day. But here's a surprising truth. Some salads that look healthy can quietly spike your blood sugar, leaving you tired, dizzy, or hungry again way too soon. Today, I'm sharing 4 salads that might not support a stable blood sugar for women over 60, and 4 better options that will keep you feeling steady, confident, and full of energy. Let's dive in and make sure your next salad is working for you, not against you. First, let's talk about the salads to approach with caution. Picture this. You're at a lunch with friends and you order a beautiful fruit-loaded salad. It's bursting with apples, grapes, mandarin oranges, dried cranberries, candied nuts, and a sweet, creamy dressing. It looks so wholesome, right? But here's the catch. After 60, our bodies process sugar differently, and a bowl packed with sweet fruits can send your blood sugar soaring, then crashing in candied nuts and sugary dressing, and it's like eating a dessert in disguise. Fruit is fantastic in moderation, but a salad shouldn't feel like a fruit bowl. If you love fruit, try a small side of it instead. Next up is the honey mustard chicken salad, a popular pick at grocery delis or restaurants. It sounds savory and satisfying, but that dressing can pack 12 to 20 grams of sugar per serving. If the chicken is glazed or caramelized, that's even more sweetness sneaking in. Sometimes these salads toss in dried fruit, too. It tastes amazing because it's practically candy on a plate. Your blood sugar deserves better than that roller coaster. The third salad to watch out for is those low-fat or fat-free salad kits grab at the store. They sound like the healthy choice, but when companies strip out the fat, they often add corn syrup, starches, or artificial sweeteners to boost flavor. Those ingredients can cause a quick blood sugar spike, followed by a crash that leaves you rummaging for snacks. An hour later, low fat often means high sugar, and your body needs real nourishment, not a marketing trick. Finally, let's talk about the crunchy Caesar salad, loaded with croutons, crispy onions, and creamy dressing. Who doesn't love that satisfying crunch? But croutons are made from refined flour, which can spike blood sugar fast. Those crispy toppings are often coated in flour and sugar too, and even the creamy dressing can hide more sugar than you'd expect. It's a delicious trap, but not the best for keeping your energy steady. Now, let's flip the script and talk about 4 salads that will love you back. Salads that support a stable blood sugar, lasting energy, and the strength after 60. First, meet my go-to, the olive oil and lemon salad. Start with spinach or mixed greens, add sliced cucumbers, creamy avocado, a drizzle of olive oil, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. The healthy fats in avocado slow down sugar absorption, keeping your blood sugar steady. Plus, that zesty lemon adds flavor without a speck of sugar. This is your reliable, everyday salad that says, I've got your back. The second option is a grilled chicken and green salad. Picture crisp romaine or fresh spinach, topped with grilled chicken and a light vinaigrette made with olive oil. The protein in the chicken and the fiber in the greens work together to slow digestion, so you stay full and avoid those pesky sugar crashes. It's simple to make, easy on your stomach, and a nourishing choice when you want to feel strong and satisfied. Third, try a small serving walnut and berry salad. Berries, like blueberries, Raspberries or blackberries are some of the best fruits for blood sugar because they're low in sugar and high in fiber. Pair them with walnuts for healthy fats that support your brain and heart. The key here is portion control. Think a handful of berries, not a fruit explosion. A little bit goes a long way, and this salad feels like a treat without the guilt. Last but not least, let's talk about the Mediterranean-style chickpea salad. Combine chickpeas with cucumbers, tomatoes, a drizzle of olive oil, and fresh herbs like parsley or dill. Chickpeas are packed with fiber and plant-based protein, which help slow sugar absorption and keep your energy steady. This salad is vibrant, delicious, and supports your digestion, heart, and overall vitality. Here's a quick story to bring this home. My friend Susan, who's 64, used to grab those fruit-heavy salads thinking they were the healthiest choice. But she'd feel sluggish and hungry by mid-afternoon, wondering why she couldn't keep up her energy. When she switched to a grilled chicken and green salad with olive oil dressing, she noticed a huge difference. She felt fuller longer, had a steady energy for her evening walks, and even felt more confident in her day. Small changes, big impact. So let's make it simple. A blood sugar-friendly salad for women over 60 should have 3 things: healthy fats like olive oil or avocado, lean protein like chicken or chickpeas, and low-sugar veggies like spinach or cucumbers. Steer clear of salads with sweet dressings, tons of fruit, crispy toppings, or low-fat sauces that hide sugar. Your body deserves a stability, strength, and energy after 60, and the right salad can make that happen. Before we wrap up, here's a pro tip. When you're at a restaurant or buying a salad kit, check the dressing ingredients. If sugar, corn syrup, or honey is near the top of the list, swap it for olive oil and vinegar or lemon. It's a tiny tweak that makes a huge difference. If you found this helpful, I'd love for you to keep learning with us. At Prime Vitals, we're all about helping you stay strong, active, and healthy after 60. Check out more of our videos for tips on nutrition, movement, and feeling your best. Hit that subscribe button and let's keep this journey going together. What's one salad tip you're excited to try? Drop it in the comments. I can't wait to hear from you. Until next time, keep choosing foods that love you back.